How to comment GIFs on Instagram. Let's get started. First, you have to update your Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can launch the app. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now you will land to the home page. Now head towards the post where you want to comment with the gift. Now head towards the comment section. After you land to the comment section, over here you can type in your comment. Likewise, at the right corner of it, you will find this icon of gift. You have to go ahead and click on it. And with that, you will be able to comment gifts on Instagram. As if right now this feature is not available in my region, but if that option is available in your region, applying these process, you can easily comment gift on Instagram. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily comment gifts on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.